Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Hartford floor plan over here in Crane Landing, Fort Myers. The Hartford is part of the executive line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. Coming in at a little over 1,900 square foot with 4 bedrooms, 2 bath. Let's run inside and take a look here. So here at the entry of the Hartford, directly to the right are going to be your guest bedrooms. So right down here, we've got guest bedroom number 1. Right off of that, we do have the guest bath here, and you'll have the singular sink, the commode, as well as the combination tub and shower. And we've got guest bedroom number 2 right here. And last but not least, guest bedroom number 3. So all the guest bedrooms are located all right here towards the front of the home, right next to each other. Coming into the main walkway here, you've got the indoor laundry room here with plenty of room for a full-size washer and dryer and additional cabinetry. That's also your entry to the garage. And then you've got this nice open great room space here with the Hartford. Nice huge kitchen overlooking the family room. Nice corner pantry here. Got your dedicated dining space with your entry to your exterior living space. But this is a nice, great room design here with the Hartford. And last but not least, over here in the corner is your master suite. So really nice size room here. That is a king size bed there for perspective. Then we've got the master bath with your dual sinks. Got your linen closet there. Got your standalone shower, your enclosed water closet, and then this huge walk-in clothes closet right here as well. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this Hartford floor plan, we can locate this for you at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. Just contact us at all of the information you see below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.